Imagine that you are participating in a nighttime activity using electronic devices, but that your eyesight gradually begins to become blurry. Your eyes are fatigued, and they feel dry. In an effort to see more clearly, you begin to squint your eyes. It is not only you who is dealing with this issue. Millions of individuals all around the world are experiencing visual loss, even at a young age. The American Academy of Ophthalmology estimates that more than 11 million people in the United States alone require vision correction as a result of refractive problems that have not been corrected. The health of one's eyes is the cornerstone of one's quality of life, although it is frequently neglected. The danger to our eyesight is increasing as a result of modern lifestyles that involve excessive screen time and diets that are lower in nutrients. However, the good news is that you may begin protecting your eyes in a straightforward manner by incorporating it into your regular diet. Today, we will talk about how natural vitamins might be the most effective way to maintain the sharpness of your eyesight. In today's video, we will discuss 4 most important natural vitamins that are most effective in enhancing your vision. Number 1. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine. Pyridoxine, also known as vitamin B6, is a vital mineral that helps maintain healthy eyes by lowering the likelihood of blood vessels in the retina, which are tiny blood vessels, being damaged. Homocysteine is an excessive amino acid that can induce inflammation and raise the risk of eye illnesses such as age-related macular degeneration, AMD, diabetic retinopathy, and retinal vein occlusion. It helps to reduce the amounts of homocysteine in the blood. A further benefit of vitamin B6 is that it helps maintain the function of nerves, especially the optic nerve, which is the nerve that links the retina to the brain. One of the most essential components of a healthy diet is vitamin B6, which can protect the eyes from conditions that are caused by inflammation and the effects of age. When someone has a high level of visual activity, such as working in front of a computer screen for extended periods of time, they are more likely to have symptoms such as fatigued eyes, dry sensation, or tightness around the eyes. Vitamin B6 deficiency can particularly exacerbate these symptoms. Foods such as bananas, potatoes, spinach, chicken, salmon, and almonds are all excellent sources of vitamin B6 nutrition. Vitamin B6, when consumed on a consistent basis, has the potential to assist in maintaining the health of the blood vessels in the eyes and preventing vascular issues. When there were previous indications of eye strain or danger of inflammation, the advantages are often realized within a few weeks to months. This is especially true in cases where prior symptoms were present. The health of your eyes and optic nerves can be supported to their full potential if you consume enough. Number 2. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is an essential component in the process of preserving eye health, particularly in the battle against inflammation and the maintenance of ocular moisture maintenance. Not only is vitamin D essential for bone health, but it also plays a key part in the preservation of eye health. The immune system is supported by vitamin D, which is known to have anti-inflammatory effects. This helps protect the eyes against a variety of inflammatory disorders, including uveitis and dry eye syndrome, which are both conditions that can cause inflammation. In addition, studies have shown that a lack of vitamin D might raise the probability of developing degenerative eye illnesses such as age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and diabetic retinopathy. Chronic inflammation, which can cause damage to the cornea and retina, can be reduced with the aid of vitamin D. Additionally, vitamin D helps to promote the formation of components in the tear film, which makes it a very efficient treatment for dry eye symptoms. This is especially true for those who spend a significant amount of time in front of screens or who reside in locations with low levels of humidity. Foods including salmon, tuna, egg yolks, and milk that has been fortified with vitamin D are other sources of vitamin D. Vitamin D may be gained from sun exposure. People who live in regions with low levels of sunshine or who are at risk of vitamin D insufficiency, such as the elderly or people with poor absorption, are frequently considered to be candidates for vitamin D supplementation. In most cases, the advantages of vitamin D for eye health begin to manifest themselves within a few weeks of appropriate consumption, particularly in the case of symptoms associated with dry or inflammatory eye conditions. Keeping your vision clear and protecting your eyes from a variety of conditions may be accomplished by ensuring that you get enough vitamin D through exposure to the sun or by eating foods that are rich in vitamin D. Regular ingestion over a period of several years is essential in order to achieve long-term benefits, such as the protection of age-related macular degeneration or retinopathy. Number 3. Vitamin A. Due to the fact that it maintains a healthy retina, vitamin A is considered to be one of the most important nutrients for eyesight. Vitamin A is an essential component in the production of the pigment rhodopsin when it comes to the retina, which is the area of the eye that is responsible for converting light into electrical impulses that are then transmitted to the brain. The pigment rhodopsin is responsible for our ability to see in dimly lit environments, such as at night. As a result of a lack of vitamin A, a person may get night blindness, which is characterized by trouble seeing in dimly lit environments. This deficit can, in more extreme situations, develop to xerophthalmia, which is a devastating disorder that causes the cornea to become dry and may result in irreversible damage to the eye. Vitamin A also helps to prevent infections by bolstering the immune system, which in turn helps to preserve the health of the conjunctival layer, which is the membrane that protects the surface of the eye. The condition known as dry eye syndrome can be alleviated by vitamin A, which also plays a significant part in maintaining the eye's moisture level. Cravings, spinach, sweet potatoes, and eggs are all examples of foods that are high in vitamin A content. It may take a few weeks for night vision to improve after consuming these meals on a consistent basis. Under the guidance of a medical professional, supplementation is frequently necessary for the treatment of severe disorders such as xerophthalmia. For macular degeneration and other eye problems to be protected against over the long run, constant consumption is required. Number 4. Vitamin B2, riboflavin. Specifically, riboflavin, often known as vitamin B2, is a crucial ingredient for maintaining healthy eyes, particularly in terms of preventing oxidative damage to the lens of the eye. Glutathione is a potent antioxidant that helps the lens remain clear and protects it from cataracts. Riboflavin is a nutrient that assists the body in producing glutathione. In addition, riboflavin helps to maintain the function of the retina by enhancing blood flow in the tiny arteries of the eye. Because of this, it is essential for the prevention of diseases such as diabetic retinopathy. In order to maintain healthy eyes, one of the most important components of a dietary plan is vitamin B2. This is especially true when it comes to the prevention of degenerative illnesses like cataracts and related retinal problems. Photophobia, also known as sensitivity to light, is one of the symptoms that can be caused by a lack of vitamin B2, which can also raise the chance of developing cortical cataracts. It is possible to obtain this vitamin from natural sources such as milk, yogurt, spinach, almonds, and lean meats. The advantages to eye health can be evident within weeks to months if appropriate intake is taken on a regular basis. This is especially true for persons who have early indicators of insufficiency before the symptoms become apparent. To keep our eyes healthy, it is not enough to simply wear glasses or contact lenses. We must also pay attention to how we take care of our bodies from the inside out. A healthy lifestyle, together with the correct food and natural nutrients, can help maintain clear vision for a longer period of time. Always keep in mind that your eyes are the windows to the world. This video is intended solely for educational purposes, providing valuable insights and information. If you find it helpful, support the channel by liking the video and subscribing. Your engagement ensures you stay updated with future content and never miss out on more informative videos. Learning is a continuous journey, and by subscribing, you become part of a growing community dedicated to knowledge and growth. Don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments and spread the knowledge with others. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more valuable content.